Hello traders, in today's video we'll be looking at the Harmonic Pattern Scanner for MT4 and MT5. This indicator automatically scans the chart for harmonic patterns and draws them for you so you can visually see potential reversal zones without manually measuring every leg. Although the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now if we come over here we see Harmonic HS for Harmonic Scanner. Now just click on it and we have the indicator on the chart. Now the Harmonic Pattern Scanner plots the complete harmonic structures directly on the price chart, condensing swing points into recognizable shapes such as Gartley, bat, butterfly, crab, and similar patterns. Each detected pattern is drawn with labeled legs and a highlighted completion area, as you can see, visually marking the potential reversal zones where the pattern expects price to react. As new price data comes in, fresh patterns appear and older ones remained outlined, giving you a running map of recent harmonic setups on that symbol and time frame. Now let's move over to its settings. We have the maximum bars and minimum bars for the indicator. We have the refresh rate and the basic swing. All these parameters can be adjusted, suits your trading style, but it can affect the sensitivity of your trades or the indicator. Internally, the scanner uses Fibonacci ratios on swing points to validate whether a structure qualifies as a known harmonic pattern. You can typically choose which pattern type to display, set minimum and maximum pattern size, and adjust how straight the Fibonacci tolerance are, which controls how many patterns the tool will accept. Now, who is it for? The Harmonic Pattern Scanner is suited to traders who like harmonic trading but want to automate the pattern finding step and focus on analyzing and managing trades. It does not guarantee that every pattern will reverse, can occasionally show overlapping or conflicting structures, and should be used together with independent confirmation, such as support and resistance, price action, and risk management rules, rather than as a standalone signal generator. You can find the download link for both MT4 and MT5 in the description below. And also read more about the Harmonic Pattern Scanner, including supported pattern types, pros, cons, and practical examples at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.